It's the holidays, so the orders are really piling up. And that's another one. I'm so far behind on shipping these orders, it's having
A snowball effect.
Yes.
Don't worry. We can dig you out of this sales storm.
Thank you.
We can handle the wrapping to help ensure your items are safe and secure. Carefully pack them up in the perfect size box. Add a personal touch with custom cards.
Huh.
And with FedEx one-rate pricing, you'll enjoy 2-day flat rate shipping.
Nice. One down, 143 to go.
You weren't kidding.
I never kid about snow globes. Well, I gotta get back to the workshop. Thanks for the help.
Just another day at the office. I'm gonna need a bigger shovel.